Find the equation for the tangent line and normal line of the function at a given value of x. Here we have f of x is equal to x over x minus 1. Let's say we have xy plane. Here is the x-axis, here y-axis. If we have a function f of x like this, and let's say this value is x equal 2, then tangent line at x equal 2 would be this. That is a tangent line. And the normal line at this point is line that is perpendicular to tangent line. So this is our normal line. Since the slope of tangent line at x equal 2 can be written as f prime of 2, the slope of normal line at x equal 2 can be written as negative 1 over f prime of 2. Because these two lines are perpendicular, so the product of their slopes must be equal to negative 1. So let's find the derivative of f of x at x equal 2, which is the slope of tangent line. F prime of x is equal to, if we use a quotient rule, x minus 1 squared, low d high, derivative of high, minus high, derivative of low, which is equal to 1. If we simplify this, denominator we have x minus 1 squared, numerator that's x minus 1 minus x, so that is equal to negative 1. So we know that slope at x equal 2 is equal to negative 1 over 2 minus 1 squared, that is negative 1. Now let's find the equation of tangent line. The tangent line passes through 2 comma f of 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 over 2 minus 1, so that is equal to 2. So this is actually 2 comma 2. So equation of tangent line at x equal 2 can be written as, if we use point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to slope negative 1 times x minus x1, which is 2. So if we simplify this, y is equal to, that's negative x plus 2. So negative x plus 2 plus 2, that's negative x plus 4. Let's say this is number 1. Number 2, equation of normal line at x equal 2 can be written as y minus y1. The normal line passes through the same point, right? 2 comma 2. So y minus y1, which is 2, is equal to slope negative 1 over negative 1, which is equal to 1, right? Times x minus x1, 2. So if we simplify this, y minus 2 is equal to 1 times x minus 2, that's x minus 2. So y is equal to just x.